I'm going to show you how you can use agent fees in SuperControl to record channel commissions in bookings, and then base your owner payment or commission payment based on that channel commission. So some channels send us details of their commission, the amount that they charge you. So, for example, Airbnb, TripAdvisor, or Booking.com. Other channels don't send us that data, so we can't output it in a booking, but you can manually record that. A good example of that is HomeAway or VRBO. They do not send us that information, so we don't record it on the booking. We do record the uplift as an agent fee, but if you want to record the channel commission, you can add that manually. So if I go to Admin, Agents, and Add Agents. So the first thing I'm going to do is add an agent. In this example, the uplift agent will have been added automatically by SuperControl because we have that data, but we need to add one for our commission. So I'm going to add HomeAway commission, and then I'm going to put 10% commission. If there's VAT, you can configure it here, either on top of or included in that commission. I'm going to change this to deduct from customer payment, no, just to simplify things. And then I am going to select calculate commission and owner payment after agent fees, because I want to deduct the channel commission and base my commission on and the owner amount on the figure net of that channel commission. So I'm going to save that. The next thing I'm going to do in this case, because HomeAway uplift has been created automatically for me, and I actually want to use the commission to calculate my own commission, I'm going to modify these default settings. So this would have been set to calculate commission and owner payment after owner fees. I'm going to make sure that's set to no deduction. I'd already changed this one. So now we have got in the booking the ability to add our new commission. So I'm going to click Edit and then go down to this agent section, and there's a plus icon here. If that plus icon is not in your account, just email support and we can add it for you. It should now be in all accounts, but if it isn't, then we can add it for you to let you add multiple agents in a booking. So now I'm going to select HomeAway commission, and it's automatically taking that 10% figure that we added and basing that off the full rent 115. And I'm leaving the rest as default in this example. So now, when I recalculate, my owner payments have changed to reflect the commission being calculated on this amount, 115.50, minus this amount, 115, and then in my case, I've got a very simple 10% commission model, so it's 103.50. Does mean that you'd need to add this for each time one of these bookings comes in, but if you want to base your commission on these calculations, then you can do it.